Hi, my name is Brian Tokiyoshi, and now I'm going to be talking about the cloud-enabled mobile workforce. When you think about the traditional architectures that people have been using, that organizations have essentially built out the remote access network so that when users are trying to reach the data center, they would access a VPN gateway. And that VPN gateway is used so that when a user is trying to get access to the data center, they would connect to the VPN gateway. A user that's in a different location connects to the VPN gateway. And even if they were in a distant location, they're still trying to get to that same application, so they connect to the VPN gateway. Now, your applications are not just in the data center anymore. So when you think about it from this standpoint, when you're looking at applications that are now hosted in the cloud, it doesn't really make sense to send that traffic over the VPN gateway in order to get to the cloud. So what happens is a lot of organizations that are thinking about this from the standpoint of traffic network optimization and user experience, they allow their users to disconnect from the times when they're not going to the data center. And when they're going direct to the internet, that's where you see security issues occur, because that now they're not getting any of the same protections as if that traffic was going through corporate firewalls. So what would be a better approach to solving these issues? It would be, instead of using remote access VPN, use Prisma. And what Prisma does is that it is cloud-delivered security infrastructure so that no matter where your applications are located, that you can get access to them from anywhere around the world. So users connect to a nearby location in Prisma, and they can reach applications in the internet, in the cloud, or in the data center. So one aspect of this is that it replaces the need to go to headquarters every time that you need to access an application, because that if the application's in the cloud, you connect to Prisma and go directly to the cloud application that you need with the security that you expect. From Prisma, you get the delivery of all the protections to keep users safe, to make sure that they are using the applications that your policy allows, as well as being able to stop threats and protect data. That's what Prisma is all about, being able to take care of the logistics of being able to manage a worldwide infrastructure for your mobile workforce without having to do it with managing hardware appliances or anything of that sort. In order to learn more about the use cases on what Prisma can do for you, check out the rest of the videos in this Lightboard series.